Hey guys, welcome to Drink Coin. It's Tyler again, and we've got some sick updated news over the weekend here that's potentially just gonna explode CCIV coming into market on Monday. So I just wanted to make sure I get it on that news and get it to you right now. So I'm gonna get right into it. Here through Bloomberg, an article was just dropped within the last hour or so, and they're basically saying that there's a couple insiders from Lucid Motors and CCIV with their connections, and they are estimating that the deal for Lucid Motors could go through as soon as Tuesday this upcoming week. This would be insane for the stock, especially with the trend that it was seeing up this week until Friday, where it peaked just below $65 on Thursday. And the two people that came out and said that this is potentially going through on Tuesday is looking at the combined entity being valued at over $15 billion between Lucid and CCIV, which is just absolutely insane for a valuation with this kind of potential. The big thing for Lucid Motors, anybody that doesn't know, they're an electric vehicle company that has an emphasis on sustainability and making sure the inside of their car, including the interior and everything that has to do with the car, is safer for the environment, whether it's their leather sources or where they're getting the wood for their dashboards or anything along those lines. And they've got a car model called the Air that's expected to drop here in the second quarter of this year, and they're looking to do more affordable versions of the Air that are under their price point of $169,000 in 2022. They just did get their factories built in Arizona, so they are looking very promising, and this merger is just gonna make them even more of a dominant force in the electric vehicle market. So right now, even with the CCIV price point being like 55 bucks, I do see this being a huge potential for where this could be in the future. Now, like I said, this is gonna be insane for the stock come Monday, whether this merger actually goes through Tuesday or not. I could see this gapping up hard. I did originally have a valuation of potentially over 70 if it broke that 65 point on Friday. I do still stand by that. There was a lot of people that had their stop losses triggered, it seemed, on Friday that had it set up. It seemed like possibly like a coordinated effort to trigger those so that the stock would plummet for a few to buy in. There was a lot of big ticket buys that came through on CCIV Friday right after that dip happened. So that seems to be an indication that there's a lot of volume and interest in it still, which, I mean, that should go without saying. If that does break the 65 point coming on Monday, I do see this pushing over 70, and this is going to look very good for the CCIV and Lucid Motors merger going forward, especially with this new news dropping here on Bloomberg. Just wanted to bring you guys that information, and I will be coming out with more of a technical analysis this coming weekend as things go on and we potentially see new developments. So I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.